In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M33, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll down just a bit and tap on Display section. After that, select Motion Smoothness and tap on the best option for you, in my case Standard. In order to save your changes, tap on Apply and wait. As you can see, refresh rate of my Samsung has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!